I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
Welcome back to Handmade at Home.
You know, this time of year we always love to think of fresh ways to bring the outside in. So today we're going to be making fresh modern planters for our houseplants.
Yes, and it's been brought to our attention that not everybody has access to a craft store. Can you believe that? So we wanted to challenge ourselves to make our planters only using materials that we found at the hardware store.
Let's get started. Today we're going to be making two different planters. We were walking around the hardware store and we came across PVC piping and we realized it was the perfect choice because it's inexpensive, it's easy to use, and it comes in a lot of different shapes.
Yes, and right now those curved and rounded silhouette shapes are super trendy. Okay. So we saw this and we thought it would be perfect. Let me check. Hello? Hello? Is anybody there?
Oh, it's for me.
Yes. So we're going, he's got to take this.
I have to, sorry.
So we're going to be cutting these down to size using a miter box and saw. But the best part about PVC pipe is that it's really super easy to work with and you could use a wide variety of tools to cut it down. We're going to start with our big pipe here. This is a big one I think we got for under $4. And the best thing about the miter box is that it has different grooves here and different angles that you can follow. We're actually going to cut into the pipe and follow one of the grooves of the angles here. But before I do that, I'm just going to secure it with a little clamp just so it doesn't move around too much as I'm sawing.
Yeah, and this is actually, we're basing this planter off of one that we saw online that was over $100. So it's gonna have a nice sharp angle. I think it's gonna look really nice.
There it is.
Wow.
Oh yeah, pretty cute. Now we're just going to sand down these little bits here that got stuck until we have a nice clean shape.
Yeah, we're also gonna sand down this writing here. We are gonna spray paint it, but we just wanna sand these down just so it doesn't come through at all.
Here, I guess we can do that right now.
All right, for our next planter, unfortunately it does not fit in the miter box the way we want it to, so I'm just gonna use the miter box to help hold on to it. And before I start cutting, I'm just gonna draw a line across because that's where I want it cut. I want it to be like a nice flat top where the plant will come out this way. And then I'm just gonna do my best to cut it. So I think that's probably a good amount to cut. So I'm just gonna use a marker and draw it as a guide. There we go. And now I'm just gonna start sawing. Woo. All right.
Watch your fingers.
Yes, thank you. Yes, if you're doing this at home, please watch your fingers. All right. Okay, it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna sand it down just to get these rough edges out. And since we sanded down the exterior of the other one, I'm gonna do the same thing just so the spray paint adheres the same way. Okay, so the sawing's done. I'm so glad the sawing's done.
Yes, they're looking super cute. Yes, we worked up a sweat. And now we're going to add a base using these caps that we found at the hardware store. They match perfectly to the pipe.
Yeah, and this is great because we found them in the same section as the PVC pipe. If you want to make some drainage holes, you can do that easily just by taking a craft knife, cutting some holes, or even using the drill. And now that that's done, we're going to take these out to spray paint. We're going to be using some textured spray paint that's really going to take the look over the top. And we're basically almost done. I can't believe how quick this project is. It looks so good already.
They're all dry.
Yes, they look really good. What we love about this spray paint, it really adds this texture to it. Now, on this one, you can kind of see some of the mechanics of the pipe. You see like a little line here. If that bothers you, take some heavy-duty sandpaper and just sand it down before you spray it. But I mean, I think it looks really great, and that stone really, like that stone look really kind of hides a lot of that.
Yes, so now we're just going to add our plants, and then we're done.
All right, so we're gonna start with our first layer. It's gonna be rocks. That's because we're working with a cactus and a succulent. This is a good idea if you did not add drainage holes. We ended up adding some just because we were getting worried that, you know, honestly, we just kill every plant we own. So we just wanted to prevent that. So we're just gonna add some rocks to the bottom. And this is just so if there is any water buildup, it's not touching the roots. There you go. And then I'm gonna add some soil. And now our cactus. Okay, and then I'm just gonna add some soil. Ow, I keep forgetting it's a cactus. Whew. All right, and then to top it off, I'm just gonna add some more rocks just to give it a nice cohesive look. It looks so cute. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. Here's a good tip. Use a paintbrush just to get all that soil off as you work.
Very cute. Modern, chic. Expensive, but cheap.
Hardware chic. Real.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Come on.
They look so great. I had doubts about this macaroni noodle one, but I'm sold. I really like it.
It really is so cute. And to think, we made it for just a few dollars and a quick trip to the hardware store.
Yes, we want to hear if you've ever made a project using PVC pipes in a comment below.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.
Bye.